too, but I don't like it. Hi! The fam's all here. And we're on our way to Solving, which I vlogged a little bit ago. And this time we're gonna do a Segway tour, which is a very classic Barry fam thing to do. So I don't think I'll be able to film on the Segway. Maybe I'll sneak some clips. But currently driving through Los Padres National Park, which is quickly becoming one of my favorites. It's really, really pretty. And there was a fire here really recently. There's water out here actually. Skunk. Just not here.
Bobcat was my high school mascot. Hi, Catherine.
Hi. Look at this bird. It's like, woohoo.
Oh my God, look at the fish.
The fish's mouth.
Why is it? It's so weird.
It's like kite flying.
Shoulders.
You ready?
I'm ready. Ready to go on a Segway tour.
Geared up. Ready to ride. I like these little guys.
I have one of those if you want one.
Really?
Yeah. And once we get back inside.
So cute. Whee!
Shoot you.
I hear the birds on the summer breeze. I drive fast, I am alone in midnight.
Ah, yeah.
I'm trying hard not to get into trouble, but I got a war in my mind, so I just ride.
Father's Day weekend, and this is Catherine on her Segway ride for her 4th or 5th time on them. She's a pro, or a natural.
We stopped off for some Claire's. Show the top. There we go.
Hand model.
And we're waiting at Paula's Pancake House.
Take a picture over there.
Breakfast all day. Happy Father's Day.
Yeah, that's
How about Day weekend?
Awesome.
I win a trip to Denmark.
I'll get a Denmark.
How do you win a trip to Denmark? Can you please go and look at that page?
Right with you.
It's special.
Woohoo!
They'll do anything to you. These are great. Special edition.
We left Solving for downtown Santa Barbara, where we're going to dinner. Check it out.
parties.
Okay.
We
got to get the guacamole in the molcajete. It's a giant
They
stuff.
give you unlimited chips here?
Yeah.
That's all I care about.
Huh?
I'm in love. Ambiance.
Yeah.
I feel like I'm watching Jane the Virgin.
Probably better. You got the salad too. High five.
High five our matching plates.
Taquitos.
We should wait for father. We should wait for father. Look at his. Oh, the pepper. Oh, yeah, he looks so pretty. Oh, sorry.
Yeah, do it again. Flop.
Wow! I got dark chocolate and then salted cookies and cream. I don't remember what the flavors are called. English toffee crunch and salted caramel chip. Oh, a classic Santa Barbara. Lil Delio. Oh! My car is running over palm fronds. It's real loud. Oh no, it's actually a tree branch. It's like 5:30 in the morning on Saturday. Oh my god, we're going kayaking in Ventura, just south, like an hour to drive and get there by like 7. Luckily, there is beautiful skyline. Cameras never capture it, but good morning to you all. This is the ferry that takes us over to the island. Hello, it's Sunday, Father's Day! Yay! And we got to do another Groupon of a helicopter tour. First time on a helicopter. I'm very, very excited, but my excitement is sadly diminished because I lost my favorite pair of sunglasses.
In the arms of the angel.
When I was changing back in the Channel Islands, I left them on the toilet seat cover, and I'm pretty sure someone stole them because they didn't report them to Lost and Found, and they're one of a kind because I thrifted them, so I can't go back and get them. They were $20. In my 20 years of life, I've never found a pair of sunglasses that I've liked on my face, so those were one of a kind and irreplaceable. I'm very, very upset about it. I'm upset someone would steal those, but I can understand because they fit so well and they look so good. So
Look at someone who's happy on the other end.
yeah, someone's happy on the other end of this deal, hopefully. Otherwise, you know, they probably just lost them in the water.
wanted her
Why? Is it your weight?
Second film.
to film better.
Okay.
Yeah. How'd you like it?
It's great.
I thought he should have been front. It's Father's Day.
Yeah. Happy
I
Father's
saw
Day.
just as much from where I sat.
But you were so busy filming, I couldn't get any pictures of you.
Your hair is standing on head.
We had, it went, we need to just down thing.
We went south towards the zoo.
Oh, okay. We show Michael Jackson's Neverland?
That's in Santa Barbara?
They advertise that.
Is that here?
It's in Santa Barbara?
I don't know. It was a part of the advertisement on the website.
Oh, there's another coastal tour.
Oh, really? Yeah.
Now we're gonna go move my sister into her sorority house at UCSB. Have some like Father's Day brunch lunch dealio. Should be good. Bye Airbnb. Welcome to Gamma Phi of UC Santa Barbara. They get this whole apartment complex to themselves. V cute. Thanks, Daddy-o.
Let me have your country breakfasts. And then your more breakfasts.
Mmm, beignets.
Yes, I did. Yes.
How's that? Wow, you have the worst lighting and it's your day today. That's too bad. You look great though.
Thank you. It's my makeup. Yeah, that's my makeup. Yeah.
Tutorial coming soon.
Coffee, please.
You got what they got.
Your plate's yellow.
Yeah, the storyteller and then her friend got this.
On my way home now. Really, really great Father's Day weekend. Tried to go back to find my sunglasses. They weren't there, which makes me pissed that I'm so attached to material possessions. Really wish I weren't, especially sunglasses, because those are easily, you know, destroyed or scratched or whatever. But the bad news is they're not like mass produced. They were thrifted, so I couldn't even buy a second pair if I wanted to. That's the only bad part of this weekend. Everything else was wonderful and good and great to see family, despite, you know, the usual bickering and conflict of expectations and people being late, which is a problem in my family. I encourage you all to get around the coast of California. Every single little spot is different, but from San Diego to LA, Santa Barbara, San Luis Obispo, San Francisco, even up northern California, past the Bay Area. So it's truly incredible to be this connected to nature. When I was snorkeling, everything, it just felt sublime, like to be that in tune with nature and the natural state of things, and wow. Wow, wow, wow. Thank you for clicking through this video. Let me know what your ideal vlog would be for me down below. So your ideal Katherouttings week in my life, what you'd want to see from me, what you want to hear from me, what's your favorite type of stuff to watch from me. And that'd be great to hear. So I'll see you all next time. Subscribe to see that next video, and Katherout.